Are you ready to turn your woodworking skills into a profitable side hustle? In today's video, Simple Wood Projects to Kickstart Your Profits, we'll explore several easy-to-make wood projects that can help you start earning money while doing something you love. Woodworking is more than just a craft. It's an art form that has been practiced for centuries. In today's video, we'll explore some simple wood projects that are perfect for beginners and more experienced woodworkers alike. These projects are not only enjoyable to create, but also have a great market demand. From decorative home accessories to practical items you can sell, I'm excited to share with you some projects that can help unleash your creativity while also filling your wallet. How about transforming that pile of lumber into something beautiful and valuable? I know what you're thinking. Can I really make money from woodworking? Absolutely. Many people have turned their passion for woodworking into successful businesses, either part-time or full-time. With the right projects, you can start earning money from your creations. Today, we'll be covering a variety of projects that cater to different tastes and needs. We'll be making things like rustic candle holders, stylish wooden planters, and even custom shelving units, all of which are perfect for local markets, online sales, or even as gifts for friends and family. We'll take you step by step through each project, discussing the tools you'll need, the materials to use, and some helpful tips that can streamline your process. Remember, it's not just about the finished product. It's about the journey of creating something with your own hands. As we work through these projects, I'll also share insights on pricing your items, marketing them effectively, and where to sell them. These tips will be invaluable as you start your woodworking business and make the most out of your efforts. And don't just take my word for it. I'll be sharing success stories from fellow woodworkers who have made their mark in the industry. They started just like you and me, and their stories are a testament to what's possible when you combine passion with action. As we create, let's also talk about sustainability. We live in an age where eco-friendly practices are more important than ever, and I'll provide tips for sourcing sustainable materials that appeal to environmentally conscious consumers. I'd love to hear from you as we go along. Share your questions, project ideas, or even your challenges in the comments section. I aim to create a friendly community where we can support each other on our woodworking journeys. We're going to highlight some inspiring success stories from woodworkers who turn their passions into thriving businesses. These real-life examples will motivate you and show you that with dedication and creativity, success is within reach. So, grab your tools, gather your materials, and let's get ready to dive into our first simple wood project. Make sure to take notes, pause as needed, and most importantly, enjoy the process of creating something beautiful. So, if you're ready to turn your love for woodworking into a profitable side hustle, make sure to stick around. Grab a notebook, take some notes, and feel free to ask questions in the comments section. I love engaging with our community and helping you out wherever I can. Let's get started on creating amazing wood projects that not only bring joy into your life, but also boost your income. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. Now, let's jump right into our first project.